In this video, I am going to show you how to add a photo gallery to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. To add a photo gallery to your Wix website, open your Wix website editor. Then from the left menu, click on Add Elements. Now select Gallery from here. So we are going to add this gallery to our website. And as you can see that our gallery is now added to our website. So now we are going to increase the width of our gallery. So we are going to do it from here. So now we are going to change these images with our own images. So from the top we are going to click on Manage Media. So here you will see all the default Wix images. Just hover over it, click on this three dots icon and then click on Remove. Now to replace any image with your own image, just select the image and then click on Replace. And now from here you can easily replace your image. Now to add your own images to your gallery, from the top just click on Add Media. You can add text, video or image. We are going to select image from here. Now to upload media from our computer, we are going to select Upload Media. Now select Upload from Computer. Now we are going to select the media that we want to upload and then click on Open. Once the image is uploaded, just select Add to Gallery. And as you can see that our image is now added to our gallery. Now if you want to do any settings for the gallery, just click on Settings from the top. And here we have multiple settings for our gallery and we can easily customize our Wix gallery with the help of these settings. At first we have the main tab. From here we can manage our media. We can upload new images to our gallery. After that we have settings. From here we can easily do the settings for our gallery. When clicking on an item, what will happen? After that we have the design tab. We can easily change the design of each and everything using these items. And after that we have advanced tab. So it will cover each and everything like what will happen on hover, playback speed, loop videos, show play button, etc. So this is how you can add a photo gallery to your Wix website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.